Hello everyone, today's topic is how to create an invoice using MS Excel. For that you need to open MS Excel. While opening MS Excel, it will ask for you to open blank to workbook, or you can go for more templates. Click on more templates. So there are many templates over there. You can go for any one of those. I'm going for simple invoice. Click on create. So this is the simple invoice. You can make any modifications. This is the logo, you can change it, or I'm changing it as the company name is changing as well, and you can change the address. If you want to change any tax details, everything you can make changes. And after that, making all the changes, go to file tab, save as option, going to desktop, simple invoice file.xls. This is the name I'm giving, and click on save button. Close this and see the desktop on that simple invoice file is there. Just double click on it. So this is the one with the modifications. For more details, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.